Learn English through travel, Japan, Japan country. Hello everyone, today we're embarking on an exciting journey to a fascinating country, Japan. This video is not just about exploring the amazing sights, delicious food, and unique culture of Japan, but also a fantastic opportunity to boost your English language skills. So, get ready to learn some new vocabulary, practice your listening comprehension, and immerse yourself in the wonders of Japan. All in English. Let's dive in. Famous landmark, Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan. It is a very famous symbol of the country. Mount Fuji is also a popular destination for climbers and tourists. Vocabulary. Highest means the tallest. Famous means well-known. Popular means liked, enjoyed, or supported by many people. Destination means place that people travel to. Mount Fuji vocabulary. 1. Highest 2. Famous 3. Symbol 4. Popular 5. Destination. Can you repeat that? Tokyo Skytree. The Tokyo Skytree is a tall broadcasting and observation tower in Tokyo. From the top, you can have an amazing view of the city. Tokyo Skytree vocabulary. Tall means high. Broadcasting relates to sending out television or radio signals. Observation tower is a high structure that you can go up to see the view. Amazing means very impressive or wonderful. View means what can be seen from a particular place. The site or prospect. Vocabulary. First, tall. Second, broadcasting. Third, observation tower. 4, amazing. Fifth, view. Can you repeat that? Golden Pavilion. Now, let's travel to Kyoto to see Kinkakuji, also known as the Golden Pavilion. Kinkakuji is a beautiful Zen Buddhist temple covered in gold leaf. It is located in Kyoto. Vocabulary. Golden means made of gold or having the color of gold. Pavilion means decorative building, often in a garden. Temple means place of worship. Covered means that something is over the entire surface. Located means situated in a particular place. Golden Pavilion vocabulary. First golden, second pavilion, third temple, fourth covered, 5 located. Can you repeat that? Famous food, sushi food. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish made with vinegared rice and various ingredients such as seafood and vegetables. Made with indicates the components. Sushi is very popular around the world. Vocabulary. Traditional means relating to old customs. A dish is a prepared food. Made with indicates the components. Vinegared rice is rice flavored with vinegar. Various means many different types. An ingredient is any of the food items that are combined to make a dish. It's a component part of a recipe. Seafood is food from the sea. Vegetables are plants used for food. Popular means liked by many people. Around the world means in many different countries. Sushi food vocabulary. First, traditional. Second dish. 3, vinegared rice. 4, various. 5, ingredients. 6, seafood. 7, vegetables. Or 8, popular. 9, around the world. Can you repeat that? Ramen. Ramen is a Japanese noodle soup with a rich broth, often flavored with soy sauce or miso, and topped with ingredients like sliced pork, seaweed, and green onions. Vocabulary. A noodle soup is soup containing noodles. Rich describes a strong and satisfying flavor. Broth is a flavorful liquid. Flavored with means having a particular taste added. Soy sauce and miso are common Japanese seasonings. Topped with means having something placed on top. Sliced pork, seaweed, and green onions are examples of ingredients. Ramen vocabulary. 1, noodle soup. 2nd, rich broth. 3rd, flavored with. 4, soy sauce, piatti, miso. 6, topped with. 7, sliced pork. 8, seaweed. 9, green onions. Can you repeat that? Tempura. Tempura is a Japanese dish where seafood and vegetables are lightly battered and deep fried until crispy. Vocabulary. Lightly battered means coated in a thin mixture of flour and liquid. Deep fried means cooked by being completely submerged in hot oil. Crispy describes a food that is firm and makes a crunching sound when you eat it. Tempura vocabulary. 1, lightly battered. 2, deep fried. 3, crispy. Can you repeat that? Famous culture or things. Anime or manga. Anime is Japanese animation, manga is Japanese comics. They are very popular both in Japan and internationally. Vocabulary. Anime is Japanese animation, which means moving images that are drawn or created by computer. Manga is Japanese comics, which are books or magazines that tell stories using drawings and panels. Popular means liked, enjoyed, or supported by many people. Internationally means in many different countries. Anime or manga vocabulary. Number 1, anime. Number 2, manga. Number 3, animation. 4, comics. Number 5, popular. 6th, internationally. Can you repeat that? Samurai. Samurai were warriors in feudal Japan. Samurai were known for their bravery and swordsmanship. Vocabulary. Warriors are people who fight in battles. Feudal Japan refers to a period in Japanese history with a system of lords and vassals. Known for means famous for. Bravery is the quality of being courageous. Swordsmanship is skill in using a sword. Samurai vocabulary. Number 1, samurai. 2nd, warriors. 3rd, feudal Japan. 4, known for. 5, bravery. 6th, swordsmanship. Can you repeat that? Cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms, or sakura, are the beautiful pink flowers of cherry trees. They bloom in spring, which is the season after winter. They are a symbol of renewal and beauty in Japan. Vocabulary. Pink is a pale red color. Flowers are the colorful parts of a plant. A symbol is something that represents something else. Renewal means making something new again. Beauty is the quality of being pleasing to look at. Cherry blossoms vocabulary. Number 1, cherry blossom. Number 2, sakura. 3, pink flowers. 4, bloom. 5, spring. 6th, symbol. 7, renewal. 8, beauty. Can you repeat that? Tea ceremony. The Japanese tea ceremony is a traditional ritual involving the ceremonial preparation and presentation of matcha. It emphasizes harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Vocabulary. A ritual is a set of actions performed regularly and in a fixed way. Ceremonial means relating to a formal occasion. Preparation is the act of getting something ready. Presentation is the way something is shown. Matcha is a fine green tea powder. Powdered means in the form of a fine dust. Emphasizes means gives special importance to. Harmony is a state of peaceful agreement. Respect is a feeling of deep admiration. Purity is the state of being clean and not contaminated. Tranquility is a state of peace and quiet. Tea ceremony vocabulary. Number 1, ritual. 2nd, ceremonial. 3rd, preparation. 4th, presentation. 5th, matcha. 6, powdered. 7, emphasizes. 8, harmony. 9, respect. 10, purity. 11th, tranquility. Can you repeat that? Bullet train. The Shinkansen, or bullet train, is a network of high-speed railway lines in Japan. It is known for its speed, efficiency, and punctuality. Vocabulary. A network is a system of connected things. High speed means moving very quickly. Railway lines are the tracks that trains travel on. Speed is how fast something moves. Efficiency is the ability to do something well without wasting time or energy. Punctuality is the quality of being on time. Bullet train vocabulary. Number 1, network. 2, high speed. 3rd, railway lines. 4th, speed. 5, efficiency. 6th, punctuality. Can you repeat that? Kimono. A kimono is a traditional Japanese garment. It is a T-shaped, straight-lined robe worn so that the hem falls to the ankle with attached collars and long, wide sleeves. Vocabulary. A garment is an item of clothing. T-shaped means having the shape of the letter T. Straight-lined means having straight lines. A robe is a long, loose piece of clothing. The hem is the bottom edge of a piece of clothing. The ankle is the joint between your foot and your leg. Attached collars are the parts around the neck that are fastened to the garment. Long, wide sleeves are the parts of the garment that cover the arms and are long and wide. Kimono vocabulary. 1st, garment. 2, T-shaped. 3, straight-lined. 4, robe. 5, the hem. 6, the ankle. 7, attached collars. 8, long, wide sleeves. Can you repeat that? Comprehension questions. 1, what is the highest mountain in Japan? 2, name 3 famous foods from Japan that we talked about. 3, what is anime? What is manga? 4, what were samurai known for? 5, what is a famous symbol that blooms in spring in Japan? 6, what is matcha used for in the Japanese tea ceremony? 7, what is the Shinkansen also known as? 8, Describe a kimono in your own words. Take a moment to review the vocabulary and try to answer the comprehension questions. You can write your answers in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me on this English learning journey to Japan. I hope you enjoyed learning about this wonderful country and expanding your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more English lessons, and let me know in the comments which country you'd like to explore next. Until then, take care and happy learning. Thank you.